That's a tiny metal shaving. I'm not sure if the autofocus has done its work yet. Hello everybody and welcome to day 76 of my Jaguar restoration project, the car rebuild series on this 2003 S-Type 4.2 V8 Sport. Prior to reassembling the CF 6HP26 automatic gearbox, its housing has to be cleaned up, and that's exactly what I'm gonna start with today. That's how it came out of my car, quite a lot of dirt and oil residues, especially at the lower rear end. I will be able to clean around this hose here at the top, so I don't want to mess with that. While this bracket of course must be removed, bolt size is 8mm hex. Of course this has to be cleaned up as well. So let's get started. That's the cooling line bracket I had detached when taking out the transmission. Now this has to come off again. Here's our shift lever. So this is the result of more than 2 hours of cleaning the outer housing surface. I'm not tremendously proud of the result. The oil of course is gone, not so the dust, but the only goal was not to get my hands dirty if touching it, and that's achieved, and also not to get the inside contaminated again, which actually has happened in the past, as you can see. That's a tiny metal shaving. I'm not sure if the autofocus has done its work, yes. And I think I've seen an even longer here underneath. those shavings came off when I was taking out the big snap ring. Luckily there's still oil inside, and all these particles are sticking to my pick. Those sharp edges inside here also take off paper flakes, because I also don't want to have those inside. So it's the best maybe to clean this out with my fingers only. There are particles right underneath the spring which counteracts the gear lever. The mechatronic area is clean, so now up to the inner side of the housing. So the inside is nice and clean. Also now I'm just gonna make sure that there are no more metal shavings left from the removal of the big snap ring right here. I've in between also cleaned up the output shaft bearing surfaces, including the oil supply for the outer ball bearing. Those little black dots are no particles but defects in the aluminum casting. Finally, up to the inner side of the bell housing. For today I had planned a quick cleanup and the actual reassembly, but as you could see, the cleaning took quite a lot of time. It's Sunday and my girlfriend is waiting at home. I will start putting this masterpiece back together within the next days. The video will be online next week for sure. In between you may want to watch some of my other content or even subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you back next time. Goodbye.